Hi children, good morning. How are you children? I hope you all are fine and safe. Yes, you are doing your works. Yes, you have to write the classworks, whichever ma'am is telling you. You are watching after the videos, you have to do your work in discipline and in correct time children. Okay? Yes children? Yes, in the previous class we have learnt about the habits and values. And our second lesson is family as first school. Okay children? Habits. These are the activities that we do daily. The activities which we are going to do daily is called a habit. Yes children, for example, eating, walking, talking, sleeping and so on. Okay children? Yes children, values, these are the good actions and thoughts. The actions and thoughts, value help us to decide what is right and what is wrong. For example, respecting elders and taking care of younger ones. Okay children? Yes children, you have read about the habits and values. We learn from where do we learn? We learn from our families. We learn from our families. What are good habits and values that you have learned from your family? They are, who is the family? Who is your head of your family? Yes, father. Yes. And the most in your family, whom do you respect? Whom do you respect? You have to write in your book children, in your rough book, that I will tell you after this end of the class. Okay? And whom do you respect? You have to write in your rough book. Yes. And some people you respect, okay, are the most for example, in the school children, in the school, whom do you respect the most? Means you respect all. The first, for whom you will respect? Principal ma'am. Who is the head of the institution? Principal ma'am. Teachers, helpers, drivers, cleaners and so on. They all will help to run the school. Yes children? Okay? Yes. How can you make that sure how you are learning a good habit or a bad habit? Yes. For example, if you are doing any bad thing, your elders will tell or your teacher will tell that it is bad, you don't do that. Means that is what you are doing the bad thing. Okay children? And now you have to write in the rough book about your good habits and the good values in one page, one side a good habit and one side a good values. Okay children? Yes, is a good habit. Which is a good habit children? Sleeping early to bed and early to rise, and eating your food in discipline. Means sit properly and put your napkin and eat with a spoon neatly. That is what a good habit. And brush your teeth properly in the morning. Yes children? And don't fight with each other. Means your friends. Don't fight with your friends and don't scold them. Okay children? Yes children, having breakfast is a healthy habit. You have to have your breakfast daily. Okay children? And children who have the breakfast will play and they have the memory power to study also. Do this children, from today. You should have the breakfast. Okay children? Yes children, take out your workbook. Your page number is 6. Page number is 6, second lesson. Family as the first school. Multiple choice question children. What are habits? The option A, thoughts. B, activities. C, values. D, books. Which is correct in this children? Which is correct? It is B, activities. B. Okay? And with whom do we live? Answers. The options: A, friends. B, classmates. C, family members. D, teachers. With whom do we live? With family members. Yes, you have to write there C. Okay? And the fill in the blanks. We learn different habits and dash from our family. from our family. Values. Okay? Taking care of younger ones is a good value. Is a good value. Okay? And very short answer question, children. Very short answer question. Name any one good habit. On your own you should write. On your own. It's your wish. Many habits are there. Good habits. You should write your own. Okay, children? Yes. Yes. The sixth one. Name a value we should keep in mind while talking to elders. Talking to elders means respecting elders. Respecting elders. Yes. Short answer question, children. Next one. What are values? What are values? Values are good actions and thoughts. Values help us to decide what is right or wrong. I'm reading once again, children. Values are good actions and thoughts. Values help us to decide what is right or wrong. Okay, children? Yes. Page number 7, children. True or false? Understanding part. 8th one. In some families, the family members touch the feet of elders. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. It is true. Okay, children? Our family does not take care of us when we are sick. Is it true? False. Is it true or false? It's false. You have to write false there. Okay? Parents talk to elders with respect. Is it true or false? It is true. It is true. Our parents get up early and do the household work. Is it true or false, children? It is true. It is true. Okay, children? Children, you have to write neatly. You have to write neatly in the workbook. In every book, you have to write neatly. Okay? And follow whatever we are saying. Okay, children? Take out your textbook, children. Page number 7. Application. You have read about the habits and values we learn from our families. What are the good habits and values that you have learned from your family? Who is the family member you respect the most? Why do you respect them or her? Whom do you respect other than your family members? Some people you respect are your school, principal, teachers, helpers, drivers, cleaners, and so on. All of them help to run the school. Do you think that all the things we learn from others can be good for us? Do your parents or teachers say that you have learnt some bad habits? How can we make sure that we learn only good things from others? Find out with the help of your teachers and parents. Turn the page, children. Page number 8. Amazing facts. Did you know having breakfast is a healthy habit? Children who have breakfast every day can study and play better than others. Okay, children?